Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss how to solve the postfix expression evaluation problem. Here we are given with the postfix expression. Now we must evaluate it. So to solve this problem we will be using just two columns. First one is symbol scanned and the second one is stack. So we will be just using two columns. So let's scan one by one. The first element is 5. So when you are encountered with an operand, just push it into the stack. So now in my stack 5 is there. Next 6. So 6 is an operand. So just push it into the stack. 5 was already there. Now 6 is inserted. Next 2. So 2 is also an operand. Just push it into the stack. Next plus. So now plus is an operator. When you are encountered with the operator, apply it between the top of the stack two elements. So in top of the stack we are having 6 and 2. So who arrived first? 6. Next it is 2. In between them apply that operator, that is plus. 6 plus 2 will be equal to 8. So now 5 will remain as it is. In place of 6 and 2 write 8. So what will be the updated stack values? 5 will remain as it is. In place of 6 and 2 we will be writing 8. Next symbol is multiplication. So star means multiplication. So when you are approached or encountered with an operator, apply it to the top of the stack two elements. So here we are having only two elements in that stack. So who came first? 5. Next it is 8. So in between them operator will be applied. 5 into 8 means it will be equal to 5 8s are 40. So in place of 5 and 8 we will be writing 40. So my updated stack is only having the value as 40. Next is 12. So 12 is an operand. So just push it into the stack. 40 was already there. Now we have inserted 12. Next is 4. So 4 is also an operand. Just push it into the stack. So 4 will be written here. Next, division. This slash means division operator. When you are approached or encountered with an operator, apply it to the top of the stack two elements. So in top of the stack we are having two elements 12 and 4. So 12 have arrived first, later 4. So in between them division operator will be applied. So 12 divided by 4 means it will be equal to 3. So 40 will remain as it is. In place of 12 and 4 we will be writing 3. So update it in the stack also. So 40 will remain as it is. Next 3. Now we are left out with only one symbol, that is minus. So minus is an operator. So apply it to the top of the stack two elements. So here we are having only two elements 40 and 3. 40 has arrived first. Next 3. So in between them the operator minus will be applied. 40 minus 3 means it will be 37. So we got the final answer as 37. So at the last step, write the closed parenthesis. So this specifies the problem is completed. So 37 is the final evaluated value for the given postfix expression. So hope you understood the topic of how to evaluate the postfix expression. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please do comment below. And the part 1 link I will give it in the description. You can see it there. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please do comment below. I will clarify it. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us. Thank you.